Congratulations! You've decided to take a look at ABC Seamless Steel Siding for your home. And you're wondering why so many people choose us. The answer is simple. We're on your side, the seamless side. ABC Seamless Siding is known for its quality products, talented craftsmen, and attention to detail. From explaining every option to guaranteeing perfectly fitted siding, you'll understand what we mean when we say we're on your side, the seamless side. The journey began in 1973 when ABC Service and Construction brought the first seamless rain gutter system to North Dakota and Minnesota. The seamless gutters were an instant hit with homeowners, and the thought turned to, why not make siding for houses that's seamless? That first big step soon led to a national adventure. In 1978, the ABC Seamless Steel Siding franchise concept was born, thus pioneering the first home remodeling franchise in the United States. ABC Seamless is the world's largest seamless siding franchise, with franchisees located nationwide. We've installed our seamless steel siding on hundreds of thousands of homes nationally and contribute millions of dollars to the economy and tax base, both locally and nationally. Our products have demanded attention from many of the remodeling industry's leading publications. ABC Seamless has been recognized as a qualified remodeler top 500 company, a remodeling magazine Big 50, and an entrepreneur magazine top 500 franchise, to name a few. Many people ask how we did it, and the ABC Seamless Duck says it best. We're the siding without the quacks. Who would want anything else?
No cracks, no quacks.
ABC Seamless is built on a philosophy adopted out of the personal character of the company. We want our customers to be treated like we would expect to be. So we dedicate ourselves to providing the highest quality materials, installation methods, and customer service. Our products have stood the test of time and created thousands of happy homeowners. We still have the same colors from 25 years ago, unlike many other siding companies who change their color selections every year. Plus, our seamless siding products are all made here in America and formed at your home to guarantee a seamless exterior. That's the seamless touch.